I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll for sure 1000% get it done tomorrow. I won't mess up tomorrow. I would tell myself all of that for years. Years, I would just tell myself, yeah, I'll start tomorrow. I'll go for it tomorrow. I'll start my diet tomorrow. I'll start exercising. I'll start running tomorrow. Clearly, I didn't do it because years passed with me just telling myself that over and over again. If I had just done it for the first time I've ever told myself I'll do it tomorrow, I would be a model by now. But that's not the case. And this is like one of the biggest traps people fall into, telling themselves, oh yeah, I'll just start tomorrow. I'll go for it tomorrow. Like, they'll start, and even if they do start, they'll start tomorrow. Yeah, they'll start. They started, they're going good, they mess up. After they mess up, they'll completely like finish. Like, I used to do this all the time. I'll mess up, I'll cheat, and then just continue cheating for the rest of the day because I told myself, oh yeah, I'll start tomorrow. And it just never happened because I was completely deflecting all of the accountability. Like, it was saying I'll start tomorrow is one of the biggest forms of cope that you could possibly do when it comes to like dieting and exercising and actually getting stuff done. It's like procrastinating for your own health. You're procrastinating on your own health. Like, bro, don't like stop saying this. Stop saying I'll do it tomorrow because you're not going to do it tomorrow, bro. You're not going to do it tomorrow. You got to tell yourself I'm doing it. Like, you have to start right now today. Like, sure, you already messed up today. Don't mess up anymore. Stop messing up. Okay, mistake. Right? You accidentally ate that cookie. Okay, that's it. Leave it at that. Continue doing what you're doing. Continue. Keep your goal in your mind. Don't go mindless. Don't go mindless. Remember, what is your goal? You want to lose weight. You want to look better. You want to look shredded. You want to actually look decent and feel confident so you can go, I don't know, find your future wife or something. Like, you have to keep that in mind 100% of the time. And when you do mess up, don't cope and say, I'll do it tomorrow. Because it's a trap. And you'll just get stuck in this endless loop for years, bro. Years. And sure, maybe you'll start. Maybe you'll do something the next day. But you're not going to actually get anything done. You have to feel like you have to feel the weight of what you just did. Okay, I messed up just now. Dang it. Okay. Let me just do 5 push-ups and then go on with my day and still keep at it. You got to keep at it. You can't tell yourself, "Oh man, I messed up today. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm going to just go eat the rest of the cookies in the cupboard and eat some pizza now and get Chinese food with my friends and all this other crap." No, bro. You have to feel the weight of what you just done. You messed up. Now that you've messed up, take that, all right, dang, why did I mess up? Oh, shoot, I wasn't thinking. I wasn't keeping in mind that I wanted to lose weight, that I wanted to do all of these things. And I ate the cookie. I went mindless and I ate the cookie. Bro, keep yourself accountable. Whenever you tell yourself that you are going to start tomorrow, that you'll do better tomorrow, you're counting on your future self. You do not know what your future self is going to do. You only know what you're going to do right now, today. So please stop telling yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, because you're not going to do it tomorrow, bro. The only thing you're going to do tomorrow is probably tell yourself again that you'll do it tomorrow. That's probably the only thing that'll happen then. So take accountability for you messing up. Understand that you messed up. Analyze why is it that you messed up. Think about the way you were feeling at the moment. What was going on at the moment in your head as to why you messed up. And then fix the problem. If you, I don't know, maybe you feel a little bit anxious. This happens to me all the time. I'll get like a little anxious, or I feel a little bored or something. Or like, I don't know, all of a sudden I get struck with the weight of being overweight and fat and not feeling that confident. And that will like turn into this loop of me like feeling some sort of anxiety or something, and I'll just go eat to make myself feel better. Like, that's so counterintuitive. That is so counterintuitive, and I don't know how it got to that point, but it is counterintuitive to your goal for you to cope by eating, or like you mess up by accident because you go mindless, and then you keep on straying further away from your goals. Like, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. You have to stay focused on your goal. Your goal has to remain in your mind. You have to be relentless. You can't forget for 1 sec what it is that you're working towards. You have to keep in mind what it is that you want to accomplish. Keep it in mind 1000% of the time. And then whenever you take action, think, okay, is this action going to further me away from what I want to accomplish, or will it bring me closer to my goals? And then after that, you can decide whether or not the action is appropriate or not. So please, stop telling yourself you're going to do it tomorrow, because you're not. It's such a lie. It's such a trap. It is the biggest trap ever. People will fall into this endless loop. For years, bro. I'm telling you, years. It happened to me. For years, you'll sit there telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow, and nothing will get done. You'll be in the same spot again and again and again. You'll say, I'll start tomorrow. You're still saying that a year later, bro. It's not working. Take accountability. Take accountability, bro. You just messed up. You messed up on your diet. Okay, cool. That's okay. You're not gonna... This isn't a no-hit run in the video game, bro. You could keep on going. Keep on going. You still got the rest of your health bar left. Finish the level. Finish the level. Move on to the next. Don't sit there and just because you messed up, make it so that, okay, I messed up already. Might as well mess up even more for the rest of the day because my future self got this. No, your future self don't got this. The only person who got this is you right now in the present moment. You have to decide right here, right now, okay, I'm not going to mess up no more. That was a mistake. My bad. All right, let's keep on going. What's next? You can't sit there and cope by telling yourself, I'm going to do better tomorrow. I'm going to start tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. No, bro. The goal, the mission is on the mind 100% of the time. And you keep it like that. 100% of the time. You cannot forget what is the mission. As soon as you forget, you go mindless. You go mindless and you do whatever the heck it is that your body's telling you to do based on the way you feel. You should not be going off of the way you feel, man. You should be relentless. Who cares about how you feel? Who cares if you just want just a bite? No, bruh. You keep on going. You can't just stop and say, I'll eat a bite. No, now you just went over your calories. Oh, I'll just a little bite. Oh, no, you just ate the rest of the cookie jar. Bro, you won't start tomorrow. You start now. You'll never do it tomorrow because you're not starting now. Now's the perfect time to start. I cannot say this enough. This was the biggest problem I had for years. I would say, I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Bro, years of doing that, bro. And I didn't until, like, I don't know, 2 years ago, I kind of sort of started. I started taking my health more serious and going on runs and stuff. But even then, I fell back into that loop. I would constantly fall back into that loop that, I'll do better. The only person that's going to do better is you right now if you decide to. Not you tomorrow. Stop sacrificing your future happiness for your pleasures today. Your pleasures today can be multiplied tenfold in your future if you put in the work and you put yourself through that discomfort. If you delay that gratification, if you don't eat that slice of pizza, if you don't eat that cookie, if you don't go out today with your friends and eat Chinese food, you will feel so much more better in the long run. The happiness you'll feel will be multiplied tenfold. You'll feel so much more better. So stop sacrificing your future happiness for some instant pleasure. Delay gratification. That's what you got to do. Delay gratification. This has to be on your mind 24/7. I'm going to look shredded. I'm going to look jacked. I'm going to look so freaking good. And you cannot forget what it is that you need to do. You need to sacrifice to get there. If you are serious about looking better, getting stronger and faster, building the physique you actually want, that you'll feel comfortable in and confident, and you'll actually be able to talk to to freaking girls or something. Like, get, like, bro, you got, like, you just gotta stay focused on that, bro. You gotta stay on top of it. You cannot forget. So stop telling yourself you'll do it tomorrow, because you'll not. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm Chris Ted. You guys have a good one.